As you can see, the engineering on this 100-meter super yacht allows for unparalleled customization.
As you can see from the holographic overlay, the sheer scale of this 100-meter vessel allows for unprecedented luxury and stability.
Ensure these connection points match the schematics exactly.
Confirmed. The alignment is precise across all 3 sections.
This section here, the alignment seems slightly off.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the heat distribution.
Agreed. Proceed with the automated sequence.
Confirming the load is secure. Proceed to Bay 4, slow and steady.
This gray steel hull represents hundreds of hours of precision engineering. The red accents here highlight the reinforced sections of the structure.
Hold position, lower 5 meters, slow speed.
Okay, set it down gently. Confirmed.
The green trace looks good across the seam.
Cross-reference the thermal data before we finalize the report.
Check the pressure on that flange.
Tightening now, looks good. Stand by for the cut.
Ease off on the starboard side. Alignment is green.
Easy now, watch the flange.
Almost there, bring it left slightly.
The current thermal readout is stable. We need to move these plates to section 7 for the next layer of the hull. Bring it down steady now. Watch your clearance on the starboard side.
Lock it in.
Take the tension. Easy. Lower away. Watch the edge there. Looks good. Okay, easy now. Down another 10.
10 centimeters, coming down.
Secured on my side. Bring it left slowly. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Clear on starboard, coming left.
Looks aligned. Set it down easy. All right, lift the panel and bring it over. Watch the alignment on the frame.
It's aligned.
Okay, starting the drill sequence.
Monitoring the arc stability now. Levels look good. Proceeding to phase 2.
Watch the alignment on this fitting. It needs to be precise. I see it. Adjusting the torque.
The torque specifications for the coupling are critical here.
Yes, alignment with the compressor is key.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, easy now. Bring it up slow.
Clear on this side.
Hold it steady right there.
We are redefining the boundaries of maritime engineering right here. Here you see the initial stages of the build. Precision is everything at this scale.
Lower it slowly now. Watch the starboard side. Keep it steady.
Check the alignment here before we move to the next section. The tolerance is tight on this curve.
Got it. We need to ensure the plating is perfectly flush.
Keep it steady, bring it up slowly.
Roger that.
All right, align the panel into position now. We need to lower the panel slowly, ensuring the fender pad aligns perfectly with the curvature. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Check the alignment on the coupling.
It's set, just applying the final torque now.
We have green on the alignment.
Okay, bringing the mesh up now. Watch the clearance on the trim.
Pull that section tighter over the cockpit. We need full coverage before the next shift. Welcome to the heart of our operation. This assembly hall is where we transform raw materials into the future of luxury. Lowering slowly, watch the clearance on the right. Steady, steady. All right, easy down.
We need to verify the connections on the collector manifold.
Right, and ensure the ventilation is clear.
From advanced sanitation systems to integrated bridge electronics, every component is assembled with meticulous care.
Does this alignment match the schematic for the starboard side?
Yes, it looks correct. Secure it.
All right, easy now. Watch the clearance on the bulkhead.
Steady, lower it slowly. Watch the edge coming down now. Looks aligned, easy. Okay, set.
We are incredibly proud of the work here. The seamless integration of the walnut and this stunning white marble truly sets this model apart.
Roger that. The yacht is secured on the keel blocks. We can retract the slings now.
Bring the bow around another few meters.
Acknowledged. Maintaining current thrust.
The new security protocols activate at midnight. Double check this one.
Will do. The timeline for the valve inspection is critical. I need your assurance that the engineers are on schedule.
Easy now, watch the starboard side.
Secured cap, lifting now.